Hi, my name is Rocky Grandstrand, and this is my flyer presentation. So, color is an important visual communication element. It affects viewers and can be used strategically to help guide and shape people's perception. There are three methods of analysis: objective, subjective, and comparative. Objective refers to the study regarding how colors attract the eyes. So, like using red is a popular one, is usually used as an example, as a warning. Red is used because of its wavelength and its physiology of the eye makes it easily recognizable. It's noticed farther away than other colors and stays in the eye longer. So, like the little jump roping heart there is red. It's can be easily recognized by the parent when they're looking at the flyer. It'll attract their attention to something, and also a heart could remind them of being healthy. Subjective refers to the connection people have between colors and past experiences or memories or feelings. People associate colors with feelings and experiences. So again, red, some people see that as a warning. Some could see it as a from a romantic experience. So like I said, the heart, for me, when I see a heart jump roping, that shows exercise, heart healthy. Comparative refers to instinct in comparing colors to things we know. So when people see red, they might think blood. When they see green, they might think grass. So all those different little pictures there are obviously different things that are compared to their colors. Orange basketball always. The purple and the blue and the yellow. I chose these because they remind me of when I was younger and in school. The boards in the classrooms always decorated with bright colors and funky designs. Papers that get sent home from school are always on different colored paper. I have kids in school now, and we're always getting papers on pink and blue and yellow colored papers. Yellow also represents things such as like sunshine and lemons and bananas. Blue can be associated with sky, water, freshness, calmness. Purple is often associated with extravagance, creativity, pride, peace, magic, and more. Those to me are all fun things, and this field day is supposed to be a fun event for kids. I'm hoping by using these colors and the clip art, I'm able to appeal to the parent's inner child and remind them what it's like to have fun during school with these field days and different activities and competitions. And then last, the diagonal lines are used as they're pleasant and stimulating to the eye, and they're often used to help direct eyes of viewers across visual media, which is perfect for advertising some kind of exciting event. So I have these diagonal lines here that kind of direct your eyes right to the center of the paper, which is where all the information happens to be. So I hope mine is chosen for the school's field day flyer from all this exciting information I've given.